Hello everyone. Now Mickey, you're not being very helpful. I wanted you to help me show the functional reading to everybody. But they need a real English teacher. So bye Mickey. Let's have a look at reading for English functional skills entry level 1. So this is the size of the text you might get to read. Let's read it together. 5 top tips to good health. Eat 5 fresh fruit and vegetables. Number 2. Drink more fresh water. Number 3. Say no to junk food and fizzy drinks. Number 4. Take a walk in the fresh air. And number 5. Have some fun. To get a free ideas pack, visit the website. So once you get your piece of reading, read through all of it, have a look at how it's set out. You've got a title at the top that tells you information, and then you've got 5 tips. So what type of question might we get for this piece of reading? Well, you might be asked, what is the text mostly about? Now remember, text means the whole piece of writing you had to read. And often, to look at something that's mostly about, we look at the title, 5 top tips to good health. Now, is it about fruit, sport, or health? Well, because there is health in the title, and it mentions fruit, and it mentions going out for a walk, the theme or idea that covers all of those is health. So I hope that you chose that answer. What about number 2? In number 2, we're looking for a number. And it says tip number tells you what food to eat. So we have to look at each number and work out which one tells us what food to eat. Yes, I think it's going to be this one here because it's got the word eat. On this one here, it says say no, so that means don't eat. So for number 1, eat 5 fresh fruit and vegetables, but I can't just write all of that into the answer because I just need a number, tip number. So I'm just going to write number 1. Tip number 1 tells us this. What about if you get a phrase with words missing? You've got to work out which words to write into this gap. Now it says do not have, so I've got to find a tip that's telling me not to do something, because do not means don't do it. I think it's going to be number 3, because number 3 says say no to junk food and fizzy drinks. So say no means do not have. I need to write just one word in the first part before the word food and one word in the first section before the word drinks. So I'm going to choose the word junk to write there and fizzy to write there so that it reads do not have junk food and fizzy drinks. That was easy, wasn't it? Now what about this one? Take a something outside. Remember, in functional skills, we're interpreting the information. So we're not going to find the exact words in the passage. So I've got to find something that sounds like outside. Let's have a quick scan of the text. Oh, wait a moment. I found something here. Fresh air. That's the same as outside. So number 4, take a walk in the fresh air, is the same as take a walk outside. We got that one, didn't we? Now for the last question I'm going to give you today, I'm going to give you 3 options. And remember, sometimes if you think the question is easy, you sometimes choose the wrong word because you haven't taken enough time to decide which of these is correct. So you can visit the website for. Now, when I read that text, I saw information about the website at the bottom. So I'm going straight to the bottom there and I'm going to read what's written. To get a free ideas pack, visit the website. Don't be tricked by that word free, because it's not free vegetables, is it? It's definitely not a shopping list, even though there are numbers. And it uses the phrase ideas pack. So even though it doesn't say in the answer that the ideas pack is free, that's what you're going to get if you visit the website. So I'm going to choose the second option there, an ideas pack. And if you chose all of those with me, you got them correct as well. So what's the problem now? Oh, it just feels stressful having to find answers. But I tell you what, you did really well in that last piece of reading. So I think you could get the next piece of reading accurate. Are you ready? This is going to be something that I've written to a friend. So I just need my reading glasses for this. And if you wear glasses for reading, please bring them to class. So the text on my phone: Hi Amanda, let's meet for lunch at the pastures on Wednesday at 11:45. Looking forward to seeing you then, Jane. Well, what questions might you have for this text? Well, we have 3 questions. And if you read the text again, you should find these really easy to answer. Who is the text message from? You look at the bottom for from. Yes, Jane. On what day does she want to meet Amanda? Who is Amanda? Yes, she's the person that's the message is saying hi to. So on what day? Let me look for the day. Oh, it's on Wednesday. So the answer is Wednesday. And what is Jane looking forward to? Now, in this question, we might have to do a little bit of interpretation. Looking forward to seeing you then. Well, I can't write the answer looking forward to seeing you then, because that's just copying that text. I have to work out, who is Jane looking forward to seeing? Yes, you're right. We mentioned it before. It's Amanda. So what is Jane looking forward to? Jane is looking forward to seeing Amanda for lunch. Or Jane is looking forward to seeing Amanda on Wednesday. And that's the style for your functional English. So now don't you feel much better about all of your answers and your questions? And I'm really looking forward to starting to learn lots of information about English reading when we all start our English functional skills reading classes. See you then. Bye now.